Some of you are going to be able to answer a question like this within literally 3 seconds, and that's because you recognize that this equation that they gave us is a y equals mx plus b equation. In other words, it's an equation of a line, and it's in a slope-intercept form, and the intercept part of that name is the b, right? So the b gives us the y-intercept. Literally, they're just telling it to you because of the way that the structure of this equation is. So the 81 is the intercept. There's no changes or anything necessary. A would be the answer. But I do want to warn you that on harder questions on the SAT, they are going to give you equations that kind of look like y equals mx plus b, that maybe are similar, but not quite the same. And they will hope that you kind of make the same assumption that we did here. And in this case, the assumption is correct. The number at the end is the y-intercept. But in other equations, it might be jumbled in some way where that doesn't quite work. So the foolproof way to always find a y-intercept is to recognize that, they kind of tell it to us here, x is going to be equal to 0. So anytime you want to find a y-intercept, take your equation, no matter how it's written, and plug in 0 for x and simplify it, right? So in this case, y, 35 times 0 is 0, 81 plus 0 is 81. So what this is telling us is that when we plug in 0 for x, 81 is our value of y, that is our y-intercept. So again, not really necessary here. It is great that you understand y equals mx plus b. That's the most popular, important formula for the PSAT and the SAT. But later on, if something doesn't quite look right, then do it the long way, plug in 0, and let the arithmetic actually prove the answer for you.